If you want to use Google Drive on desktop, this video will walk you through everything step by step. By the end, you'll know how to install Google Drive for desktop, sign in, open your files in File Explorer, upload and download content, and change your sync settings so Drive works the way you want. This is a super useful setup if you want quick access to your cloud files right from your computer without constantly opening a browser. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, you'll need to download Google Drive for desktop from the official Google website. Open your browser and search for Google Drive for desktop. Then make sure you use the official download page so you know you're getting the correct version. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the setup prompts to install the app on your computer. After the installation is complete, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Use the account that contains the Drive files you want to access on your desktop. Once you sign in, Google Drive will begin connecting your cloud storage to your computer. Depending on your settings, it may take a moment to finish syncing, but once it's ready, you'll see Google Drive appear in your file manager. On Windows, open File Explorer. In the left sidebar, you should see Google Drive listed there. Click it and then open My Drive. This is where all of your cloud files will show up. And the best part is that they look and feel just like normal folders on your computer. Now let's talk about uploading files. This is one of the biggest reasons people use Google Drive on desktop. If you have a document, image, video, or any other file on your PC, you can simply drag it into the Google Drive folder. As soon as you drop it there, the file starts uploading automatically. You don't need to go to the website, click upload, and wait through extra steps. You can also right-click a file, choose copy, and then paste it directly into the Drive folder. Either way, Drive will sync it to your account in the background. Downloading files is just as easy. If a file is already stored in your Drive folder, you can open it directly from File Explorer. In many cases, Google Drive will download the file automatically when you open it, especially if it's a file that isn't stored locally yet. This makes it really convenient for working with cloud files as if they were already on your computer. You can open, edit, and save files without constantly switching between browser tabs. Next, let's look at the sync options because this is where you can control how Google Drive uses your computer's storage. To change these settings, click the Google Drive icon in your system tray, then select Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll usually see two main options, Stream Files and Mirror Files. Stream Files is the default choice for most people because it saves space on your PC. With this option, your files stay in the cloud and only download when you need them. Mirror Files, on the other hand, stores a full copy of your drive on your computer. That's useful if you want offline access to everything, but it will use more storage space. When deciding between those options, think about how you use your computer. If you work with a lot of files but don't want to fill up your hard drive, streaming is probably the better choice. If you need constant offline access and you have enough storage available, mirroring may be the more convenient setup. The good news is that you can always go back into Preferences and adjust it later if your needs change. It's also important to remember that Google Drive for desktop needs internet access to keep your files synced properly. That means any changes you make on your computer will update in the cloud, and any changes you make on another device will eventually show up on your desktop too. This automatic syncing is what makes the tool so powerful because everything stays updated without you having to manually move files around. So to quickly recap, here's what you do. Install Google Drive for desktop, sign in with your Google account, open Google Drive inside File Explorer, drag files in to upload them, open files to download or access them, and use Preferences to choose between Stream and Mirror mode. Once you understand those basics, using Google Drive on desktop becomes very easy. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials on software, apps, and productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.